Did you know that signature fraud costs businesses and individuals billions annually? In fact, a recent report by the Association of Certified Fraud Examiners found that the median loss per signature fraud case is $15,000. Furthermore, signature forgery is becoming increasingly prevalent in the digital age, with one study finding that 1 in 4 Americans has experienced some form of identity theft or fraud in the last 12 months. Signature forgery detection is a complex challenge due to the diverse nature of signatures. A signature's appearance can be influenced by factors such as pen pressure, speed, angle of the signer's hand, writing surface, and even the type of ink used. These complexities make it challenging to identify forgeries, ranging from simple alterations to highly sophisticated mimicries of genuine signatures. For instance, a forger may trace a signature or create a convincing digital fraud using specialized software. AIT's engineer has developed a groundbreaking solution that harnesses the power of deep learning and TinyML. Our low-code platform provides templates for signature forgery detection, enabling the deployment of machine learning models directly on signature capture devices. TinyML, a revolutionary technology, allows these models to run efficiently on small, low-power devices like tablets and smartphones. Our flagship system, cAInvas, is specifically designed for real-time signature forgery detection. Using a deep learning-based model optimized for low-power devices, cAInvas analyzes various signature features, such as stroke patterns, curvature, and texture. The model becomes proficient at distinguishing between the two by training our convolutional neural network on a vast dataset of genuine and forged signatures. Detecting fake signatures is vital for preventing fraud and ensuring document authenticity. Our cAInvas system, powered by deep learning, offers an effective solution. During signature capture, cAInvas performs real-time analysis, swiftly and accurately identifying forgeries. With cAInvas, you can safeguard your business, protect your clients, and ensure the integrity of your signed documents. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.